Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1 liter of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Pour it into the empty water tank of the coffee machine. Turn on the machine. Hold the strength button for 3 seconds to enter descale mode. When the machine beeps and stops dispensing water, empty the solution from the carafe. Rinse the carafe with clean water. Rinse the machine by adding 1 liter of fresh water to the water tank. Press and hold the brew button to activate descaling mode. After the water stops flowing, empty the carafe and rinse it 1 more time. Your coffee machine is now descaled and ready to use.